So many moons ago, it's 2021, this was probably done about 2010, I'm guessing. All of this whole neighborhood was nothing but a pasture. These trees right here, we planted. And when we planted them, they were no taller than this transformer right here. So you can see the density of those trees in there. How much maintenance is there for this? Zero. No need to water, no need to fertilize, no need to mow, nothing. Now, for a while, it did look pretty weedy while these trees were growing taller and getting the canopy. But if you are looking for a long-term solution of absolutely no maintenance, trees are the way to go. Plant them ideally November. They're cheap when they're really tiny, and it's a good option. We also did these over here, and we're about to come up like this area over here. All of this, what used to just be pasture, that went through there. So that is the concept of urban reforestation. It is a long-term, very inexpensive solution to how to maintain your landscape.